You've been sold a lie. From the moment we enter the workforce, we're taught that success comes from grinding 40, 50, even 60 hours a week. That the only path to wealth is to work harder, longer, faster. But what if that's not true? What if wealth has less to do with how many hours you work and everything to do with how you use your capital and your focus? Let me show you another way. If you're approaching or even thinking about retirement, like many of my clients are, you might be thinking, how am I supposed to save enough when everything keeps getting more expensive and I'm already working flat out? Or maybe you're in your 30s, looking at housing prices, trying to build a future, and you're wondering, is the corporate ladder even worth climbing anymore if it just leads to burnout? Both paths feel like a trap. You're doing everything right, yet freedom still feels miles away. Trading gave me a way out, but not the way most people imagine. When most people hear the word trading, they picture one of two things: gambling, people glued to screens, taking reckless bets on crypto, or a full-time job, complex strategies, a sea of monitors, endless stress. But there is a third path. A calm, structured, part-time trading system that allows you to grow your wealth without giving up your time. A system that lets you make decisions in minutes, not hours. It lets you risk small, sleep well, and stack probabilities in your favor instead of guessing. Let your money work so that you can ease back a bit. I spent over 20 years in high finance. I worked with investment banks, ran the markets desk at Goldman Sachs, and rubbed shoulders with billionaires. But I wasn't free. I was working 60+ hours weeks, living for weekends, and missing time with my family. It wasn't until I walked away from all of that and built my own trading system that I finally found what I was really looking for: freedom of time, peace of mind, and financial consistency. Now, I teach others to do the same. Here's what this looks like in practice. You spend 10 minutes scanning the markets. You identify some high probability setups. You place your trades with defined risk, and then you go live your life. You're not glued to the screen. You're not trying to call tops and bottoms. You're following a repeatable system that does the heavy lifting for you. And the best part, you only need to be right 50 to 60% of the time to come out well ahead. Because when you manage risk like a pro and follow a system with edge, consistency follows. Imagine starting your day with a calm scan of the markets. You take a couple of trades, then you're done. No meetings, no commute, no boss breathing down your neck. You're free to go for a walk, catch up with a friend, work on your side gig or passion project, be present with your kids. That's what trading can offer you when done right. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about reclaiming your time while building wealth on your terms. Because you don't need to work 40 hours a week to get rich. You just need a system that works harder than you do. Let's go.